Hey everyone, welcome back to CSS tutorial for complete beginners. Today we're going to learn how to color a text using HTML CSS. So how are you going to do it? We will going to add color into these texts, and also we will going to add color into the background. So how we're going to do it? Before that, we just need to identify this p tag over here. There is 4 section of p tag, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to give a ID over them. So for that, what we're going to do, we're going to give the p ID and going to name it as p1, and then we're going to do the same with this ID and we're going to name it as a p2. After into this p open paragraph, we're going to give the ID and going to type over here p3. And now if we come over into this p tag, and if we type over here ID and type p4, and then we're going to save it. And after that, we're going to open the style.css file, and then here we will going to type over here a very simple called body curly bracket, and then into the background we're going to give a background color, and the background color will be going to pick, going to type over here pick color, and from here we can simply pick some color how we want. So we're going to give this RGB value over here. So for that, we're going to give this over here like this. I'm going to paste it over here like this, and then going to save it. And now if we just, as you can see that we added the background color over here like this one, as you can see. So now if we just wanted to give this paragraph a different color, as you can see, we're going to give all the text in a different color. So how are you going to do it? We're going to come over into the style.css, and then here we're going to give the hash and then give p1 tag, and then going to give this curly bracket. So for that, we're going to type over here color, and then we'll give the color with this one as we copied from here. You can see we're going to copy this RGB color and we're going to give it, and we're going to save it. After that, if you refresh it over here, as you can see, now the text color is rightly changed. And now we're going to come for hash p2. I'm going to give the curly bracket, and from here we'll give the color, and we're going to give it as white, I think, white smoke. And if we just save it and if we just refresh it over here, as you can see, the text color has been changed. And into the third row, into the third paragraph, we're going to give the p3, going to give the curly bracket, and then here we're going to give the color as a red. Going to save it, and now if we refresh it, as you can see, we added another red color into this third paragraph. And now we're going for the fourth paragraph. So for that, we're going to give the hash, then give the p4, and then give the curly bracket or like this, and then we're going to give the color as yellow like this, and we're going to yellow green. Going to save it, and if we just refresh it, as you can see, we change the text color over here like this. So yeah, this is how we can simply change color in text using HTML CSS in a very simple way. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.